Unraveling, Tempest in a Teapot, Mastering English Idioms. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that often perplexes learners. Tempest in a teapot. Whether you're an English language enthusiast or striving to polish your language skills, understanding idioms like this can add depth to your communication. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in conversations. The phrase, tempest in a teapot, describes a situation where someone is making a big fuss over a minor issue. Imagine a storm, which represents a serious problem, occurring inside a teapot, indicating a small and insignificant space. This vivid imagery helps convey that the problem is much smaller than it is being made out to be. It's akin to other idioms like, making a mountain out of a molehill. Understanding the origins of tempest in a teapot can enrich your appreciation for this idiom. It is believed to date back to the 17th century, originating from a similar Latin expression, tempest in a pot of tea. Over time, it evolved and became popular in English-speaking countries, illustrating how language adapts and adopts new expressions. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about using tempest in a teapot in real-life conversations. This idiom is perfect for situations where you want to express that someone is overreacting to a trivial matter. For example, if a friend is upset over a minor misunderstanding, you might say, "Don't worry, it's just a tempest in a teapot." It's a gentle way of suggesting that the issue is not as big as it seems. To help you grasp its usage further, here are a few examples. The disagreement between the two coworkers turned out to be a tempest in a teapot, and they quickly resolved it. She thought losing the notes for her presentation was a disaster, but it was really just a tempest in a teapot. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, tempest in a teapot, and you now feel more comfortable using it in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this can add color and depth to your language, making your communication more vivid and expressive. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.